Hello everyone, this is Bideska Salam from PS Media, and in this video I will continue to talk about designing WooCommerce WordPress website with Elementor. And today the plugin I want to talk about is this WooBuilder. This is a premium plugin developed by CrocoBlock, and as the name suggests, this is a WooCommerce website builder. It inherits the Elementor Pro theme builder properties here. One of the good things about this plugin here, first thing here in the CrocoBlocks and Woo Page Builder, here like Elementor theme builder, Elementor template theme builder, here we can design templates for WooCommerce like WooCommerce single product page, WooCommerce archive page, WooCommerce category page, WooCommerce shop page, WooCommerce cart page, WooCommerce checkout page, thank you page, account page. This is comprehensive. Yes, we can design those pages with this template, and that's not all. If it is only this custom page template, then I will not talk about this plugin, but they go further. In the WooCommerce setting, they have this WooBuilder to assign those templates in WooCommerce specific pages. Here, for example, here we can choose custom shop page. This is one of the good things. And single product page, archive page, archive category page, cart page, checkout page, thank you page, my account page, login page, and lots of everything. Any pages that WooCommerce website has, we can design it with this plugin, WooBuilder by CrocoBlock. This is a premium plugin here. Pricing is, there is no lifetime plan. For unlimited website it is $49 per year, and for single site it is $24 per year. And for the widgets, yes, in my previous video I have talked about Elementor plugin. Like other add-ons, Elementor WooCommerce add-ons, this widget also provide lots of widgets to design those pages, WooCommerce pages. And for these pages, style of these pages, widgets, it is very simple. Yes, it is like Elementor add-on. It takes out the WooCommerce features one by one and develop into small widgets, small modular widgets. Like here, these modular widgets that we see on a WooCommerce page, they divide it into small widgets. Good thing about is this, with these small modular blocks widgets, we can design the WooCommerce page anywhere you like. And the drawback is this: it takes time to build those pages using these widgets, and it needs some learning curve. There is some learning curve. We need to sometimes to get used to these widgets and plugins to design a beautiful professional looking WooCommerce website. So there is that drawback. It takes time, and this is a premium plugin. Yes, as I said before, these plugins, these widgets are simplistic, meaning they do not provide new features to the WooCommerce website. It inherits almost the features of WooCommerce, but good thing is that we can adjust the color, typography, background color, paddings, positioning of these widgets. So yeah, it's like breaking down WooCommerce into small modular blocks for us to build. This is a very powerful WooCommerce website builder, and only drawback is that its widgets does not have much new features to provide us to improve to make our WooCommerce website unique. For the arrangement of widgets, yes, it can make us more unique, but yeah, as I have mentioned in most of my previous video, many WooCommerce themes have beautiful WooCommerce pages and many unique features. So why should we spend extra money and time to build WooCommerce website? That's the question you need to answer yourself, and decision you need to take. If you want to have more control in the layout arrangement of, for example, in account page, the dashboard, account registration form, login, and those things, if you want to have more control in the arrangements of those modules, then you can consider buying this plugin and design the WooCommerce website yourself. But if you want to save time, money, and then I think WooCommerce themes are your choice. Yeah, by designing yourself using this such WooCommerce builder, I think you can make your WooCommerce website little more unique. But I really don't think that it will be beautiful there. It may be unique, but in the terms of aesthetic looks, beautiful beauty, I think I cannot discourage the users, but almost 50 to 60% of users using such plugins to design WooCommerce website, 50 to 60% will not look good, because it takes us so much time to learn to design the WooCommerce website using these small modular blocks, and yeah, there is some learning curve. So yeah, it depends on your choice and depends on your budget. If you have the budget and the time, then you can consider buying this plugin, WooBuilder. This is very powerful WooCommerce website builder using Elementor. It gives us the lots of flexibility in color, typography, and layout. Because these small modular blocks we can arrange anywhere we want. So and a drawback is extra budget, extra time, extra learning curve. It depends on the user. If you are a dedicated WooCommerce website designer, professional, then this is for you. But if you are a beginner and you want to design your WooCommerce store yourself, set up establish your business online, sell products online, then I think you should consider WooCommerce themes instead of buying such plugins. So WooBuilder is for professional WordPress designers, developers, for the beginners and small business owners. This is not for you. Thanks for watching again. I hope this video helps you in making decision and choosing your plugins, themes in your WordPress website, and I hope it is helpful. Please like the thumbs up button and don't forget to click the subscribe button.